Okay, this is very amazing also today, on the 22nd of July 2025. It was a very difficult day, but
Yeah,
here we have one very amazing also. 3 roads here.
yeah,
It's also in Lapinlahdenkatu, Lapinlahdenkatu 25 or
yeah,
staircase A, but
yeah,
we should also get staircase B here.
yeah,
It's been built by Otis in 1927. Has the original cover, that's on sign also. It's also in Kampen Helsinki Sports, Uusimaa on Finland. This is number 13931. Let's try to read it. This is the machine is original.
yeah,
Yeah. Then 3 rows.
yeah.
It was unknown, but it was badly monarchy replaced, but it was almost original.
Yeah,
So this was a very pleasant surprise.
yeah,
Except the cab, but it's still interesting, but still amazing.
yeah, Inspired by Lift Control Finland, eteenpäin pääkaupunkiseudun hissikeskus.
So this day was not so horrible after all, because we still got something and
Yeah.
something amazing.
Mm.
And we have to try this staircase again.
Yeah.
The same top buttons here.
Yeah.
Focusing.
Yeah.
What's really amazing is that this was completely unknown and it was still
Yeah. And the locks were replaced by cone.
it's still amazing.
Yeah.
And we have to switch on the lights again.
Yeah, but it's quite light already.
Yeah. And then I'll press them. And I love the sounds and smell here.
Same.
These creaks are pretty characteristic.
Yeah.
I hope that the mistake is the buttons in the cab are also original.
Yeah.
We'll see that maybe.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you get to stay as soon as possible.
That's